What's going on?
I'm disrobing.
Oh.
It's just how I make pizza.
This is Good House, Bad House, where good housekeeping experts teach celebrities how to do different household tasks with just our words. Do you think you could toss your pizza crust?
I'm tossing, but badly.
Okay. I'm Nicole Papantoniou, the director of the Kitchen Appliances Lab here at Good Housekeeping. Today, I'm with award-winning actor Tony Shalhoub. How are you, Tony?
I'm good. Happy to be here.
Today is all about pizza.
Ah, fun.
We're making a pepperoni pizza and a dessert pizza. I'll talk you through everything step by step, but there's a catch. You won't be able to see anything I'm doing. How do you think you're gonna do?
I think I'm gonna be able to hold my own.
Let's put our aprons on. I always get really floury when I'm making pizza. I don't know about you.
My language gets flowery.
Okay,
Yeah.
that works.
Yeah.
We are actually going to start off by prepping our toppings so they're ready when we roll out our dough. Let's reach for the fresh mozzarella that's in front of us, and then we're going to unwrap it.
Where's garbage?
A garbage to your left.
fine.
Perfect.
Great.
My right. So we got this. I have a chef's knife in front of us, and let's cut thin slices for the pizza.
Yep.
We actually want to go less because less is truly more in this situation. We could put the cheese in one of the little bowls so it's ready for us when we are ready. We can also unwrap our pepperoni next.
Okay.
And however you want to take that out of its packaging. Unfortunately, I don't have any napkins for you in case you need them.
That's all right. That's why I have this nice dark shirt.
I hope you put that apron on.
I did.
Okay.
Wow, this is
Nice and oily.
like Fort Knox getting into this pepperoni. Hold on a second. There we go. Should have used the knife. Oh, this is beautiful.
How are your knife skills?
Really good. Okay.
Felt something above my head.
All right. So my knife skills are okay, and this is a really good sharp one.
Yeah,
So I'm just
brand
gonna
new. So make sure your fingers are protected while you're slicing.
Okay.
So as thin as you can make them.
I think my pepperoni is good to go.
Okay, perfect. So you can put that aside, and then we're basically gonna use the cutting board to start rolling out our dough. We're going to remove the dough from the bag. Do you make your own pizza dough?
I tend to buy ready-made pizza dough like
Same.
this on Breaking Bread. We took a trip to Jersey City. And there's
Ooh.
a really wonderful restaurant pizza place called Razza where he makes sourdough pizza dough, and it is phenomenal.
I can imagine.
He is the scientist of sourdough.
Oh, I love that. So put your dough on the cutting board, flour it, and we're basically gonna get it to a point that we can roll it around and it's not sticking. So you don't want too much, but honestly do what you need to do so it feels comfortable in your hand. We're gonna cut it and we're gonna weigh it out. So we have 2 8-ounce balls. We have a scale next to us, so
Right.
turn it on.
Okay, so I want 8 ounces, right?
Yes,
Wait a second, this is not on. There we go.
you got it? Are you having trouble with the scale?
It's registering 00. So perfect. That's exactly what I was
That's where we wanna start.
Okay, let me do the other one too, just to make sure.
And I'm actually a little bit under, and I think that's fine. Still cutting.
Hold on.
So 2 8-ounce balls.
Ooh, I'm getting there. I am so close. Hold on. Perfect. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna roll this out, right?
We are going to put the extra 2 balls in the other bowl, and we're gonna dust them with flour, and we are going to cover the bowl because this is gonna be our dough for the dessert pizza later.
You understand, my dough, the majority of the dough is the 8 ounces. I only have a very tiny little bit that isn't. Should I divide it in half again?
If it weighs 8 ounces, we are good.
Either that or I have a faulty scale.
Everything works.
I'm ready.
Good. So you should have a ball of pizza dough. And if you have any tips too, let me know because it sounds like you're a pro.
Well, I don't know about that.
You're gently going to pick it up in your hands.
Okay.
We're gonna let gravity do some work while we're pulling and stretching. Have you done this before?
Mostly I do it flat on a board,
Okay.
just spreading it with my hands, but I like this system too. Do you toss your pizza dough like they do in the
I
movies?
love that you asked that. I don't. I already spill a lot of things all over our lab, so
Oh, really?
I avoid it. But we could try. Do you think you could toss your pizza crust?
I have a very funny feeling that mine is a lot larger than yours.
Okay, so maybe that'll actually work better?
Yeah, I'm tossing, but badly.
Okay.
I'm kind of losing my shape a
All
little
right,
bit.
so you could put it on your board. Make sure, again, it's not sticking to it.
Right.
And we're going to try to form a circle.
Yeah, this is more my style.
And mine's not a perfect circle, so I'm gonna say that's okay.
Really? Do you need some help? I'm happy to come over there.
When you're ready, you can grab your pizza peel.
What does that look like?
This
Is that
big,
the-
shiny, metally thing at the front of your station.
Okay, well,
And you can actually form it a lot on the peel.
can I put it on the peel now, or am I late on that?
We like to use cornmeal on the bottom to
Okay.
help it slide around. So use a little bit, like sprinkle it on your peel and then put your crust over it. Make it swish around. So I'm shaking mine and it's not coming off. So that's a sign to me that I need to redistribute my cornmeal or add more.
Okay.
I wouldn't add too much. The more you add, the more likely it is to catch on fire. So once it's on your peel and it's shaking around and you feel good about your circle, we're gonna start adding the sauce and the pepperoni and the cheese, and then we're gonna bake it.
All right, I might have to do a little more cornmeal. Oh, wait,
What's going on?
I'm disrobing.
Oh, should I cover my eyes? Do you want me to leave?
It's just how I make pizza. I don't know what else to, okay. All right, it's moving around.
Okay, so now
It's moving.
I don't even want to know. I am opening my sauce,
Opening my sauce.
and I like using a pre-made sauce. It makes it easier, and I always know what it's gonna taste like.
Arrabbiata. Love
Exactly.
it. You dump a little sauce on there?
No, let's not dump the sauce.
You'd rather I didn't dump. You'd
Correct.
rather-
If you,
Okay,
I hope you did that in the center of your crust.
I certainly did.
And then we also have a measuring spoon on your little tray. I like to use that to gently spread the sauce, basically to the edge. You can leave a little bit of an edge, but we didn't really form a crust on this, so it doesn't really matter that if you're doing it perfectly. So now we're gonna go for that cheese. I typically do about like 2 ounces here. You can leave it whole, like basically like the slices, or you can tear it. When you leave it whole, it just makes the pizza oven have to work harder and like makes it a little liquidy.
All right.
And then I'm also gonna add some pepperoni, so feel free to do the same.
I mean, I like a margarita, but this pepperoni is special. I probably should be starting from the inside of the pizza, but I'm starting on the outside because I'm such an iconoclast. I've been eating it constantly.
That's the best part of cooking.
All right, I'm
Good?
happy. I'm happy.
Okay, now we're gonna go cook them in the Breville pizza oven, which is one of our top tested pizza ovens. Ready to go?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. I can't wait to eat those pizzas, but while they cool a little bit, let's make the dessert pizza so we can basically eat everything at once. I know you were worried about not having enough dough. How much do you think you have to work with?
About 2 ounces. I think I'd
Okay.
like to make a very small, adorable little dessert pizza.
We're going to flour up that extra ball of dough, and we're going to basically stretch it the same way. How does your dough feel?
Perfect.
When you are at a good size and shape, we're gonna get that peel again. And the beauty of this is we're actually going to bake the crust without any of the toppings and spread it on after.
Yes.
So it's gonna cook so much quicker and we can make it however we want.
Okay, mine's good to go.
So let's just push it to the side for right now. If you can grab your entire plastic cutting board that's in front of you.
Can I cut these strawberries?
Yes, please. So you could cut them into thin slices, however you want. Just think of like bite sizes so people can bite into them easier. There's no wrong way of doing this. And I'm also going to cut some banana to put on top.
Okay.
We have all this juicy, delicious fruit now. And when you're ready with your toppings, we could probably go make the pizza and then get it ready to top.
I'm just a banana away.
Okay.
All right, I think I'm good.
All right, so let's go cook this pizza and then we'll make it and then we'll eat. How are you feeling about your pizzas?
Very proud.
Good. So I think we should start topping the dessert pizza while it's still warm. It'll make
Great.
it easier to spread the toppings.
Okay, Nutella to start?
Yes. Can't go wrong with warm Nutella.
I could put peanut butter on top of my Nutella, right?
You could spread it in, you could add some dollops. This is however you want to enjoy it. What is that sound?
I'm stirring my peanut butter.
Ooh.
I'm trying to soften it a little bit.
And then you can add your fruit, whatever you want. So are you hungry now?
How could I not be hungry now? It's gorgeous.
And then I have a little dusting wand.
Oh, is that your little thing that looks like a strainer?
Yes.
So how do I get it in there? Is there a trick to this?
There's a little knob at the end of it. If you turn it, it'll turn it into a circle.
That is genius. I love that thing.
This is one of our favorite tools, I would say, in our test kitchen and our lab.
One of these.
This is
Duster.
OXO's powdered sugar duster.
Oh, I gotta get one of these.
It's so much less messy than using a little strainer or one of those shakers. I can't wait to eat this.
Well, you get real good control with this.
Look at that.
Right? Can I cut my pizza now?
Yes, I'm so glad you asked. We actually have scissors. So I'm sure you've seen pizza cut with scissors before.
Sure.
I kind of want to see what your shape is. Should we cut each other's?
Sure.
Let's do that.
Yeah, here you are.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
I'm gonna
hi.
send you mine. Hello.
I didn't know you were there. Ooh. Oh, I have to pass
got
you my
this?
dessert. Yeah, hold on. My dessert is forthcoming.
And we use the cooling rack because that helps it stay crispy as it cools. Ooh, okay, thank you. Thank you. Oh, this is cute.
It's interesting how my pizza is bigger, but your dessert thing is bigger. This scissors is a game changer, by the way.
I love it. And it's a conversation starter at parties. I don't have perfect squares, but
That's all right.
I think this is gonna be
It wasn't a
delicious.
perfect pizza.
It does not look like 8 ounces to me.
Talk to your scale.
But
Are we gonna taste each other's pizza?
yeah, let's go for it.
Okay.
Like which piece? I love a saucy pizza.
I'm curious to know if my dough is really cooked through in the middle because it was so thick.
So there's some parts that are a little doughy. It is the center where there's a lot of cheese.
That's what I was going for.
But I did get a good end. I'm having camper. This is delicious.
Well, yours is delicious.
And some dessert pizza. This is good. It's really good. This dessert pizza you made is delicious.
Thank you. I wish I could say the same for your dessert. Back off on the peanut butter a little bit. And maybe like a quarter of the Nutella that you use. Otherwise, very good.
My family used to call me overdose when I was a kid because I would always put extra toppings on everything. Thanks so much for cooking pizza with me today, Tony.
Thank you for having me. I hope everybody will tune in to CNN, Tony Shalhoub Breaking Bread.
How do you think that all went?
I felt pretty good about it. I mean, I overdid it on the crust. I'm gonna send you guys a real digital scale. Not the,
I promise it's not the scale.
not the